Aw, dude, what's in that bag over there? Dude, don't cut it, man. Use the zipper. Why is he being so dramatic? Dude, just open it already, for crying out loud. Man, what's in the bag? Hey guys. So in the Water Bandit video, a lot of you expressed interest in seeing some of the other items in my emergency vehicle toolkit. So I guess we're starting another series. And yes, I am going to use that intro in every video. Deal with it. This is the Dorman cable end kit. A lot of throttle and clutch cables will have a little nubbin at the end. And if that nubbin breaks off, you're not going anywhere. That cable's not going to work anymore. What these do is give you a way to put your own nubbin on the end of the cable and get back on the road. You just need a screwdriver to torque it down, and that's it. They come in a kit with 2 of each size in 3 different sizes, so they'll work on a variety of different cables. Throttle cables, clutch cables, hood release cables, even some parking brake cables. I use these all the time as semi-permanent fixes on old lawnmowers. On a vehicle that you're going to be driving down the highway, I wouldn't consider these a permanent fix, but it's more something just to get you back on the road. You'll also run into issues on some cables that have special ends on them. These may not work for that style. Sometimes you can kind of redneck rig it and loop the wire through a hole on the throttle bracket. Again, this is something for emergencies where you just need to get back on the road. Since you have 2 of each size, you might also be able to use a screw on either end to attach the nubbin directly to the bracket. You're going to have to use your imagination on some vehicles, but that's what all of this stuff is about. Finding a way to get out of a jam in a pinch. These kits run for like $8 on Amazon, but you can likely find them cheaper at your local auto parts store. Just look for them in that help section. There's a lot of other cool stuff hidden there too. There's not much else to say about these. They're brass with 2 threaded ends and a hole in the center for the cable to go through. You could probably make your own in a larger size by drilling a hole through an all-thread coupler. But yeah, I keep a set of these in my vehicle kit. They're cheap and they don't take up a lot of room, so might as well throw them in there. Anyway, that's it for this episode of What's in the Bag. Be sure you're subscribed for the next one. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.